Your daddy hired us to get you out of the trouble you got yourself into, didn't you, naughty boy?
Why tangerine though?
Oh, sophisticated, mate.
Oh, fucking hell. It's not important, is it? What is important are the 17 dead bodies we left getting you back from the triad that kidnapped you with the plans to ransom you to your extremely psychotic, fucked-up father.
Actually, it's 16.
What's that now?
16 kills, mate.
No, it was 17.
It's 16.
7, you're starting to get on my fucking tits.
16.
I'll smash my fucking head through a brick wall.
Maybe that'll help your memory,
The
because
fuck is wrong with you, man? It was 17, goddammit. I want to fucking strangle you.
Do you mind if we do this right now?
Don't worry about him, I can give a shot now.
I'm forever blowing bubbles.
1,
Pretty bubbles in
2, and 3.
They fly so high, nearly reach the sky.
5 guys playing poker.
Wings they spread and fortune's always hiding. I've looked everywhere.
Keep moving! Big guy.
Yeah, big guy.
Oh, it's on time today!
Pretty bubbles in
10.
the air.
3 arseholes with swords. Fucking get it! Why do you always bring swords?
Fucking triad, I mean, you would, wouldn't you?
Son of a bitch! Yeah!
Quite I like swords, actually.
Looks like it's time for a Jaffa cake.
How about a wagon wheel?
Oh, that works.
$14.50.
I'm forever blowing
And the prick on the motorcycle?
pretty bubbles in the air.
So 16?
You forgot to poor innocent civilian on the street.
The fuck you?
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You okay?
Shit. That wasn't our fault. That
Wasn't
wasn't
our fault?
No.
Well, what did Thomas the Tank Engine say, Lemon?
That's really mean.
They say, hey, take responsibility, mate.
You don't sound like that.